You know what's up, West Coast bossin'.
Real shit, my nigga.
We put them down.
Ladies and gentlemen,
We at the bar.
boys and girls,
Another round.
players and pimps,
West Coast bossin'.
we'd like to welcome you all.
DR, you drink, motherfucker. Back to set the record straight for motherfuckers.
I got my motherfucking back to the wall, fighting the power, attacking no pause. Hat to the back, I'm black with a pause. Gat to your jaws, affirmative action and laws ain't helping my niggas, so we taking back what we lost. We got bombs and hand grenades strapped to your boss. Niggas for real, they're not fucking around. You suckers and clowns get beat down for your actions involved. Everybody go, everybody get it.
Everybody.
Fuck the law, kill it, I ain't fucking with it. Make them all feel it, fuck them 9 minutes. Everybody seen it, brush it off. No, we set it off by any means necessary. Niggas letting off. The revolution is televised. Leave, fuck with minds. You're stuck in the bind. That's real talk, no make believe. I'm easy to find.
DR, you drink, motherfucker. Back to set the record straight for motherfuckers.
Fake ass ballers, who we talking to? We coming lying on records about what you do.
I'm too in love with this shit, plus I came too far to quit.
Fake ass ballers, who we talking to?
I'm too in love with this shit, plus I came too far to
The
quit.
shit y'all doing is played out and through. We can come with that shit, we coming after you.
Motherfucker, back to set the record straight for
Gotta
motherfuckers.
look me right in the eye. It ain't no killing me, God. I'm here to fight till the enemy dies. So tensions are high. Infinity Stone Thanos. I ain't marching with candles. I ain't standing in lines. You motherfuckers is vicious. This shit is all by design. I put my back to this wall because divided we fall, but all together we raw. And we can spin it on round. Get out the way or get down.
Go back to set the record straight for motherfuckers.
And I'd like to thank you all for being patient. I'd like to shout out all the critics for hating, cause you only been the fuel for my motivation. You cats' lives is limited, while I got black cards for all of my businesses. And there's million reasons why you can't fuck with detox.
It's DR, period, drink, motherfucker. Back to set the record straight for motherfuckers.
Fake ass ballers, who we talking to? We coming lying on records about what you do.
I'm too in love with this shit, plus I came too far to quit.
Fake ass ballers, who we talking to?
I'm too in love with this shit, plus I came too far to
The
quit.
shit y'all doing is played out and through. We can come with that shit, we coming after you.
Motherfucker, back to set the record straight for motherfuckers.
It's a dime daddy with the